everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I am going to share in this video some more tags and pockets that I've received for the Tag and Pocket Gratitude Junk Journal Challenge. So this is my gratitude junk journal, and I've got all my signatures ready to sew in. You saw that in part 3 or 4. And so now I'm gonna get ready to insert all those beautiful pockets tags that you have sent as part of the challenge. On November 20th, I am gonna pull a winner from all those entries, and you'll get a prize. So to find out all the details, they're linked below in the introductory video about the challenge. So I hope you'll enter. You still have some time to get them here. And if you wait and mail them too late, they could take a while. So I haven't had real good, dependable service with the mail. So just to let you know that. So anyway, we're going to jump in. I'm going to show you these beautiful tags that I've received. So I've received 3 more of folks' entries, and I'm going to let you know who they're from, and we're going to take a quick look at them. So this one, I believe, is from 2 and 62. All right, so here's some pockets and tags for the gratitude journal. So look at that, how cute. How cute is that pocket? I love the circle pockets, really, really cute. And I love this. Today is the day to be thankful for life's blessings. Love it. Very good. And then this one opens up. How cute is that? And I love black and white. It's so elegant. Thank you so much for your entries, and I can't wait to put them in, Gail. So this is from Debbie Music. So look how cute this is. Oh, I love it. And then look at this one with the cute, oh, what a cute clip. Cute. Oh, look at that. Nice. Is that a real Michael's gift card, or is it a pretend one? Anyway, and then look at this. So cute. And again, you don't have to have a certain theme or anything. Just whatever you want to share is fine. I just want to be so careful not to break anything. Is this out of paper bag? I love it. And then the tags. Oh, how cute. Love the sun, too. And look at that cute turtle. That is adorable. Very good, Debbie. I love it. And then here's another. Oh, look, she sent me 2. How cute. That is me shopping right there. That is me. Yep. Thanks for everything. Aww. Blessings back to you too, Rochelle. Oh, look how pretty. Love it. Very creative. Love. See, using up your scraps to make something beautiful. I love it. You don't have to have a whole lot, right? Here we go. And then here's another one. I love it. I love the Inspire. Love it. And then look at this big one. Beautiful. And it has a pocket on the front of it. That's a cool stamp. Or was it already like that? Your paper. What a fun pocket. Love it. And then this one too. This is fabric, you guys. See, you can make it with anything. And then these cards are very fun, aren't they? Don't you love those slide windows? Yep. And then this one. Oh, this is from Pink Monarch Prints, isn't it? I think I recognize her designs. Yep, I love her stuff. And I subscribe to her monthly. So beautiful. And then this, look how cute. How cute. Yep. Can definitely tell. Very, very pretty, Rochelle. Thank you so much for entering, everyone. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you for participating. And I can't wait to put all your goodies in this journal, because it's going to be so full of love and gratitude and everything. I'm just super, super excited about it. And so thank you again for watching. If you are interested, you can still get some in for the challenge. So thanks so much. Bye-bye.